What's going on, everybody? My name is Tatiana Jade and welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. I'm going to be doing a makeup look based on my shirt that I'm wearing, which I'm sorry that you can't see right now. It is a Mr. Beast shirt with blue and pink in it, so that's the makeup look that I'm going for today. Starting off with brows, I'm going to be using the Benefit Ka-Brow in the color medium brown. My eyebrows never match when I'm trying to do them. So now I'm just going in with some brow gel and some concealer to kind of clean it up and try to make them match as much as possible. Alright, they look good enough. Next, we're moving on to eyes. I'm laying down some concealer and I'm going to blend that out just so I have a nice base to work with and so the eyeshadow can actually show up on my eyelids. I'm using tape so that I get a nice, clean, sharp line. And I'm using the Amrezy palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going in with the color OG in my crease. I'm thinking about what makeup look I want to do here, so I'm going to lay down the color Semsa kind of on my lid. And oh my god, why did I do that? So I'm actually trying to go for a cut crease, which I absolutely suck at. I need way more practice. They make it look so easy on Instagram and YouTube, and it's not. Oh, Lord, let's pray. Alright, good enough. Next, I'm taking the color Greasy and putting that all over my lid to give it that bright pop of pink that we need. And spray, spray, spray. And I'm taking the color Barb and putting that all over my lid on top of Greasy to give it a bright, nice color of glitter. And I'm going to do the same thing on my other lid. So next I'm just going to deepen up my crease with the color Semsa, and in the inner corner of my eye I'm putting the color Anastasia. Next I'm taking this eyeliner from Fenty Beauty and I'm going to just do a nice wing and make sure that it looks decent. Of course I'm going to have to get my trusty napkin and push down my stupid long eyelashes. God, they get on my nerves. But I guess I should be grateful some people don't have enough eyelashes to go around, so it just gets really frustrating when I can't just do a simple wing without using a napkin. Next I'm taking this BB cream in the color Tan Deep, and I know it looks like a lot, and that's because it is. I want to cover all of my sins and transgressions with it. So yes, I will be using a lot. And I'm going to blend it out. And right now it's making me look greasy, but I promise you this will not be the final look. I'm going to ungrease myself. So now I'm going to go over it with a beauty blender because I realized there was a bit too much and it's going to dab some of the excess off to make sure I ungrease thyself. Next, I'm going to go in with some concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color medium. And let's get tribal up in here. AKA, we're going to contour. I really wish I had waited to do the inner corner of my eye with that color, because now I can't get in there really good with the concealer, so that was stupid. But oh well, I'll just have to go around it. Dab, dab, dab. Dab, dab. Neck roll. So now, as I'm dabbing, I'm gonna blend all of that out. Dab, dab. Make sure I blend it all out, because last time I left a little bit and I was mad when I went back and looked at it, and oh my god, yes. Now, with this brush, I'm going to use some setting powder underneath my eyes and make sure everything is set and non-greasy. We don't need any greasy or shininess or anything. We want it all mattified up in here. Oh yes, we do. Now I'm going to bronze and try to make it look like I haven't splattered dirt on my face, because that's what it seems to look like when I do it for some reason. It could just be the bronzer, but I think it's just me. And I'm going to give myself a nose so that it doesn't blend in with the rest of my face. And now we're going in with the blue underneath my eyes so that I don't just have a world of pink. And this is the color Leo. Yes, yes, I think it looks quite pretty, yes. Give me that blue. Give it to me. Now I'm going to just smoke it out, and I'm going to take that color OG and the color Semsa and just put it underneath my eyelid, bottom lash line, and I'm going in with some mascara to kind of bring everything together. And this is the Fenty Beauty, I don't know what color it is, but it has a blush and a blush highlighter. Now I'm using the actual highlighter. Oh yes! And it looks amazing, it's so golden. Yes, it's blinding! Yes! I'm going to illuminate my whole face, if I can help it. Yes, put it all up there. Yes, underneath my eyebrows. Yes, spray! Now I need something on my lips. So now I'm taking this lip liner from NYX Cosmetics in the color Espresso and lining my lips to give them some shape. Oh my god! Gonna have to clean that up with some concealer, and we save the day, yes. Now I'm gonna take this pink lip gloss from Iconic Beauty and put it on my lips. And what is that tingling sensation? Oh my god. It's a plumping lip gloss, which I don't need. I'm going to take this color from NYX Cosmetics again and just go over it now that my lips are tingling. And I'll be right back. So here's the final look. And yes, it is Spirit Fingers. I hope you all enjoyed it. I had fun doing it. And yes, there it is. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and let me know if there's any makeup looks that you would like me to do in the future. Ah, yes, I love it. I think it turned out quite nicely. And this side, look at it. How you doing? Yeah. I will see you all in the next one. Take care, my loves. And no, I'm not British. I like doing this voice, though. Goodbye. Ta-ta.